Hey guys, what's up? We are here in downtown Kingston. So today as you can see, we're down a town. Don't know. I love downtown. Another phone in there because it's so big. So it's so big. Check out more.
What's up? Yeah, because it's an actually go around. This is like a me and my daughter make a new this system, so you have a tariff charge.
So I'm not in my shirt.